Hey, it's Shelley from Best Buy Canada's blog. I've been testing out the Breville Barista Pro espresso machine. The Breville Barista Pro is an automatic espresso machine. It has an integrated conical burr grinder. You can grind your beans right in the machine for the freshest espresso shot. It also has a thermojet heating system which heats up the water in the device so that it is ready in 3 seconds. With the Breville Barista Pro, there is an instant transition from espresso to steam to hot water. All you have to do is turn the dial on the side. While this espresso machine is an automatic espresso machine, it does have enough manual options that you can tweak your espresso shot and your drink to exactly the way that you like it. Touch screen lets you control everything. That's an LCD touch screen. You can adjust how hot the water is or how long you extract coffee grinds just by touching the touch screen. The integrated burr grinder is very easy to use. You just push the portafilter into the back of the burr grinder and you have to press a little bit to activate it, but you can control on the touch screen how long it will grind your coffee beans, and you can control on the side, there's a dial, how coarse or how fine your grinds are. Tamper fits in neatly beside the conical burr grinder. It's a nice durable feeling tamper, and if you find that you're tamping your shot and your shot is slightly uneven, there's also a precision razor tool that Breville has included, so you can ensure you have the perfect shot every time. Here's a closer look at the options on the LCD screen. As you can see, you can just press the menu button and change your options. You can adjust the grind amount on the screen as well as adjust the shot temperature. I had mine set to hotter and it came out scalding. I didn't test the temperature, but it was very, very hot. Exactly how I would think an espresso shot should be. Once you've selected your filter basket, you put the portafilter in the burr grinder and you push towards the back of the appliance. The machine will start grinding your beans. The machine is set for 13 seconds, but if you'd like to make any tweaks to how long your grind will last, you make them before you put the portafilter into the grinder. I wish I could share what it smells like when this machine is grinding the beans. It just fills your entire kitchen up with the amazing smell of freshly ground coffee. Once you have your beans ground and you've tamped them, you can put the portafilter into the appliance and press the button for a single or double shot. For the best espresso shot in a double filter basket, it should last around 25 seconds. Here we have a 25-second double shot of espresso. If you're making an Americano, the next step is to add hot water. This machine has an instant transition from espresso shot to hot water, so all I had to do was turn the dial and I could add my hot water. If you're making a latte, this is when you would get your milk jug, fill it up, and make milk foam or steamed milk. It took me a few tries to learn how to use the steam wand on the Breville Barista Pro. I had just previously tested the Breville Oracle Touch, and it would make steamed milk and milk foam without you having to move the jug at all. So I did have to move the jug around a little bit, but it did heat up very quickly. I just wasn't able to achieve a nice level of foam until I had tried it a few times. So I have a little bit of foam in the cup and I'm ready to pour it into my espresso. The one thing I really noticed about this espresso machine is that the espresso shot was still extremely hot when I poured in the milk. Because I had set it at the hottest water level, it didn't lose any of the heat between the time that I had extracted it and when I was steaming the milk. This is exactly how I like my lattes, with lots of milk and no foam. When you have the Breville Barista Pro, it is so easy to create custom coffee at home. You can tweak your grinds, you can tweak how hot the water is, you can tweak how long you extract your shot, and you can tweak how you steam your milk. I loved how easy it was to use and how it looks on your countertop. The black truffle color is beautiful, and I love all the coordinating appliances Breville has come out with that are also in black truffle. And the entire time I was using the Breville Barista Pro, I didn't pull a bad shot or a burnt shot. I love how you can adjust the grind, and I love how quickly it heats up. My only recommendation when using a machine that heats up this fast is that you let your portafilter heat up as well, and all of your internal components to heat up, because that will extract the best shot. That's it for my look at the Breville Barista Pro. You can see my full written review on Best Buy Canada's blog. And if you're interested in the Breville Oracle Touch, the super automatic Breville espresso machine, take a look at my review on Best Buy Canada too. Thanks for watching.